A26 Pro high definition photography, GPS for positioning and return to base. I'm sharing the unboxing online with my friend Ahmed. So this is the drone. The camera on the X, the head and the battery switch on. This is how to charge. The remote also have USB-C to charge and have a slot for the micro SD memory card. From here, switch on. Take few seconds to do pairing. From here you can control the camera. So once I get the camera, okay, and this is to start the engine, this to activate the GPS, this for landing, and this for return to home using the GPS. This is for horizontal calibration, and this is for geomagnetic calibration. From here you can take video, from here you can take a photo, and from here there is some more features like rocket or flipping and so on. And later to take off, we do like this, then we can take off from this left joystick. That's it. He will give you two batteries. A26 Pro. This is a remote. There is a sign here for GPS working. I will start the engine from here. You can see. And press here for horizontal calibration, just in case. Then I'll start the engine again. Shouldn't have delay before the takeoff. Wow, very smooth. I start the video here. Moving. Now the wind playing. I see the picture from up there. Can change the camera position like that, Okay. Recording video. Moving. Okay. Try the GPS to come back from here. Let's see if she's able to back to same location. Yes, positioning. Yeah, very nice. Very smooth landing. Okay. This from the recording videos. During the takeoff, I'm trying to change the angle of the camera. The picture consider smooth, the model consider stable. Later I will try it in a big open area.